So in this video, I'm gonna start a brand new Shopify dropshipping business and attempt to take it from $0 to over $1,000 in just 1 week. And I'm not gonna be using any money for this challenge. And I know a lot of people think you can start a dropshipping business without any money, but we're gonna prove them wrong in this video. And I'll be starting the dropshipping business completely from scratch and walk you through the entire step-by-step process, and at the end of the video I'll show you exactly how much money the business makes. Honestly, I'm hoping it's gonna make over $1,000, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. So I have a lot of stuff that I have to get done today, and the very first thing I want to do is just find a good product to sell, and then after that I'm just going to find a good supplier, then I'm just going to create my online store with Shopify, and then after that I'm going to start creating the advertisements. And for this challenge I'm basically going to be using Pinterest, Instagram and TikTok, and just basically post viral videos on there for free. And yes, this method does work, since I do use it on my current dropshipping business that makes over 6 figures. Okay, so the first thing I want to start by doing is trying to find a good product to sell, and honestly, as long as I can create viral videos with the product and it has high demand, it's something I can work with. And honestly, I find about 99 of my viral products on TikTok, so I'm going to kind of show you my strategy and how you can do this yourself. Is just search up TikTok made me buy it. Then I'll just click on that little hamburger icon in the top right corner. Then I'll just change the date, post it to this month, and now it's going to show you a bunch of relevant winning products that are selling right now. And some other hashtags you can do this with is Amazon finds dropshippers exposed and TikTok viral products. But anyways, I'm going to take the next 20 minutes to try to find some good products to sell, and once I do find something, I'll come back and update you. Okay, so honestly I found a ton of really good products, but there is one that stood out to me that most, which is the cordless hair curler. And for anyone who doesn't know, the cordless hair curler is really convenient for females, since you can kind of touch up your hair anywhere you go, and there are so many stores on TikTok selling this product. So if they're doing well, I'm sure I can also do the same. Alright, so the next thing I want to is find a supplier that I can get the product from, and so for this video I think I'm going to use Spocket. So I found the cordless hair curler on Spocket for $28.30, which is really good, and the shipping times are only 7 to 14 business days, which is also ideal. And I think I'm gonna sell the product on our store for $59.99 now. I've actually seen a lot of stores sign this product for over $100, but because I do want to sell a lot of product in a short period of time, I don't want it to be expensive. I think $59.99 is a good number to stick with, and if my customers do see that other stores are selling it for over $100 and I'm only selling it for a fraction of that cost, I'm sure they'd rather buy it from my store. Now I do want to add one other product to my store, and I'm thinking just to make it an upsell. So anyways, I found this heat protectant spray, and I think it goes really well with the cordless hair curler, and I'm thinking to sell it on my store for $19.99, and it's only going to cost me $8.27, which is pretty good. And if you do need a supplier for your dropshipping store, I'll leave a link for Spocket in the description of this video. But anyways, now I got the product which I'm happy about, and so the next step now is to actually start building my Shopify store. And I do want my store to look like an actual brand, and so it is going to take me a little bit of time to build it. So anyways, I'm going to start working on the store right now, and then I'll update you tomorrow once I'm done. Alright, so it's the second day now, and I finally finished the store, and I made it look very simple and clean. I'm going to show you the page that the customers get redirected to. So anyways, I have different color options here, and I also did add a sales timer to create sense of urgency. I also included a ton of high quality photos, which is really important, and I also added this to build more trust with the customers. And if you scroll down here, you can see I put what's included in the package. Then I talk about the benefits of buying the cordless hair. Then I added some frequently asked questions, and then I also do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. A lot of customers won't buy your product if you don't have this, so make sure you do. And if you scroll down here, you can see that I did include how the cordless hair curler works. So this just makes it look really easy and straightforward. And all the way at the bottom of the page, I did include some customer reviews. Now obviously I did import these reviews to my store, but usually I do have real customers' reviews, but that's pretty much it for the store, and I think it looks pretty good. But anyways, now that I'm done with my store, the next important thing I have to do is add a Shopify app called Aftersale to my store. And the reason I'm going to use Aftersale is because it can increase my revenue anywhere from 10 to 15, which is exactly what I want. And Aftershock is for post-purchase upsells. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically when you offer a customer a product to purchase after they've already purchased something from your store. For example, after someone purchased the cordless air curler for my store, I can then offer them another product to purchase. So in my case, I could upsell the heat protectant spray since it works well with the cordless air curler. And post-purchase upsells work so well because if a customer just purchased something from your store, they're more likely to purchase another item since you already built that initial trust, and you can even give them a really good discount on the upsell offer, which will then make them want to buy it even more. Now, one thing you never want to do is actually offer them to the customer. Offer them to the customer before they have made a purchase, and this will just end up confusing them and they might not end up buying the product at all. But the good thing about Aftersale is that the upsell offer only comes after a customer makes a purchase, which is exactly what we want. But anyways, I'm actually going to create an upsell offer using Aftersale for my store right now and kind of walk you through the process step by step. So the very first thing you want to do is go to Shopify App Store and just search up Aftersale, and it should come up, so it's going to look like this Aftersale post. So let's add the app. Okay, so once you're in after the sale, the first thing you want to do is click here on enable settings. Then it's going to bring you to the Shopify page. So just make sure you click on Aftersale, then just click on save. Okay, back here, let's just refresh the page. Okay, now the first thing we want to do is actually just set up our first funnel. Click on create, and I'm just going to name this funnel heat protectant. So here I want to click show this funnel to all customers since I only do have one upsell product. Okay, now I'm going to choose the upsell product. What I'm going to be upselling is this heat protectant spray. Now the cool thing here is if the customer actually does end up purchasing this product, you can offer them another upsell, and if they decline this product, then you can offer them a downsell. Now, since I don't have any other products, I'm just going to keep it like this, but you can add products in here. Now, next thing I want to do is click here on edit offer, so you can actually customize this page if you want, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click here on add widget, add text and image. So what I did here is just add a picture of the product, and then I kind of explained what it does. And so the main purpose of this obviously is to protect your hair from heat damage. Okay, so anyways, what I'm gonna do now is click save. I'm gonna go back so that it's for this page. Now I'm going to click next. Okay, so now on the thank you page, we can actually customize this, and this is kind of what the customer sees at the very end. So I'm going to click here on edit page. I'm going to click here on the right area, and you can kind of add whatever you want. So you can add like a video image, frequently asked questions, reviews. So something like this can go a long way, and obviously you do want to use actual customer reviews, but I'm just showing you this as an example. So click save back. So we're pretty much done now. So I'm going to click here on finish, then just turn on the funnel, and so now customers are going to be able to see this upsell offer, and so we're pretty much done. And Aftersale is completely free if you have up to 50 orders per month. Definitely check it out. I use post-purchase upsells for all of my dropshipping stores, and it's 100% worth it. And if you did want to add Aftersale to your store, I have a link for it in the description of this video, okay? So it's the next day, and now since I'm done with the store, the next thing I want to focus on is advertising. Now this obviously is going to be the hardest part since I don't have any money to work with, but I do have a solution for that. So pretty much any video you post on TikTok, Instagram or Pinterest can go viral. And so my plan is to just try to make viral videos on these platforms, and usually what I end up doing is actually ordering the products to my house and making my own videos, or I sometimes hire someone from Upwork and they make videos for me. But in this case, since I actually don't have much time, what I'm going to do is just go on TikTok and try to find videos of people using the cordless air curler, and then I'm just going to end up reposting those videos on my social media accounts, and of course I'm going to give the owner of the video credit. Now I do recommend you do this for your dropshipping business. Honestly, if you're trying to build a real long-term sustainable brand, you may want to avoid this, or at least try to make your own videos. But if you're just testing things out in the beginning, I think it's totally fine. But anyways, okay, so it's officially been over a week since I've started the dropshipping business, and I'm honestly very happy with the results. So the first thing I want to show you is how the social media content performed. So on TikTok, I'd say the videos performed the best. I ended up posting about 26 videos and I gained over 100 followers, and this video specifically did really well, and honestly you'd assume that with all these views, I'd probably make at least $1,000, but I'll show you after now something to know, which TikTok is that it can be very easy to grow a following and also get very high engagement if you just post consistently and high quality content. I start brand new businesses all the time with TikTok and I'm able to scale them very quickly. So my biggest tip with TikTok, use a brand new account and always use relevant hashtags on your videos and make sure you're following trends and using trending music in all your videos. So the total profit is $432.60 and that's actually really good. It's over 50% profit margin, and what I really want you to learn from this video is that you should be taking advantage of the 3 social media platforms that allow you to advertise your products for free, and it's worked out really well. But anyways, that's all for this video. I hope it helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.